In this video, I will show you how to add funds to PayPal with a bank account. So let's jump straight into it. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to PayPal and go ahead and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which should look similar to this. And what you want to do first is link your bank account. To do that, what you want to do is come up to these options at the top and click onto the Pay and Get Paid option. Now, underneath Wallet, you should see the Bank Account and Cards option. So you want to go ahead and click onto this. And then from here, you're going to have two sections. You're going to have Banks and Cards. And what you want to do underneath Banks, you want to click onto Link a New Bank Account. So what you're going to have to do from here is just go ahead and pop some details in, which will be your bank account sort code and account number. And then what's going to happen is you're going to click the blue Agree and Link button, and PayPal's going to send a small deposit to your account. Now, when you log into your bank, that small deposit from PayPal is going to have a 4-digit code. So what you want to do is make a note of that code and come back to PayPal to verify your account. It's going to ask you to put that code into your PayPal. So once you've gone ahead and done that and you've linked and verified your account, what you can then do is come back to the PayPal homepage. Now, if you look underneath the PayPal balance, you're going to see a blue Add Money button. So what you want to do is press onto this. And what it's going to do is bring up a screen asking where you want to add money from. So if you've verified your bank account, you will now see this in the options available. So for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose this account, which is a bank account. And what you want to then do is click the next blue button underneath and go ahead and choose how much you want to send across to PayPal. So I'm just going to put in here £10. Once that's done, click the blue next button underneath. Now, if there's any fees, you're going to see that down here. You can see this is free to do, but for some currencies and stuff, you will have a fee to pay. So go ahead and click the blue next button underneath. And it's just going to bring up a review page, basically saying how much is going to be sent to your PayPal, where that's coming from, and roughly how long it's going to take to send that through. So once you're happy to go ahead, just go ahead and click the blue withdraw button underneath. And what's going to happen, you're going to get a confirmation screen. It says you withdrew £10, but it just means it's basically withdrawing it from your bank to your PayPal balance, as you can see down here. So just go ahead and click the blue done button. And now if I go down to my recent activity, you can see that payment I've just requested. It says pending because it takes about 3 to 5 working days for that money to get transferred from my bank account into my PayPal account. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.